So my Optispark went out. Very common LT1s, a little too common, but however, this is my first one. I watched a few videos on how to change it, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to change it. This isn't really be a straight how-to, more of a, this is what I'm going to do, just do the same thing. Like I said, it's a how-to. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is drain the radiator. I already did that, because I went to go get the Optispark from work. All you got to do is pop the cap off, pull the drain plug out, and just let it drain. Took about maybe 5 minutes or so. After that, you're going to take the shroud off. That way we can get to the fan bolts on top, and you're going to actually want to lift the car up, either with a jack, a lift, whatever you have, and take the two bolts underneath to take the fans out. So I'm going to do that real quick so I can show you guys what to do next. So you're just going to take the intake off. Mine isn't a stock intake because that's how it came with. I really don't like this. The coupler up there doesn't fit. These don't tighten at all, and that's loose. But with mine, all you have to do is take that hose clamp off, pull that plug out, take the connector off the MAF sensor, and just pull it out. Alright, well, next thing to do would be to actually take off the hoses off the radiator, then take off the water pump, and hopefully I'll be able to pull that out straight out the top. So I'm going to get through that. I'm not going to record this just because it's going to be really tight in there, and it's just going to be harder to record. Alright guys, well, this was a major bitch to get done. The last bolt over here, it'd be this one, I guess it'd be looking at it from this side, it'd be this one, was awful. I've been banging my knuckles on it all fucking day, and I finally got it out. I am gonna need to get new ones because someone put fucking red thread lock on here instead of just blue RTV or something, which they honestly shouldn't, just because that goes into a water jacket. But finally, maybe. Oh shit, I still gotta get this one off. I gotta get this hose off. 1 second. Alright, got the old water pump off. I'm honestly probably going to use this water pump off of a 97 one I got. It looks in way better condition than what this one does. So I think I'm going to use that. I'm going to find out if that one's good first or not before I do that. So now we can actually get to the Optispark. Now, the only problem with getting to it now is I'm going to have to take off the belt for one. And then I actually have to go get a pulley puller to pull that harmonic balancer off. And after that, there should only be a few bolts. This is actually an MSD. Holy crap. That's an MSD Optispark. Damn, didn't know that. That's actually kind of cool. Alright, well, I'm going to run to the parts store, get a pulley puller, and get all the stuff off. Alright, guys, so as I was going to show you guys, I can't remember. Alright, I can't really remember what the last clip was because it's been about like an hour or two. We got the harmonic balancer off. I think that's what I was showing us how to take off. It's really hard. You got to make sure the engine isn't moving. What I did is I actually chained. I put a chain around here and connected that straight to the sway bar down there, about on that side, and managed to get the bolts off. Then I was going to take a puller in order to pull this off, because that's what you're supposed to do. However, when I was putting the puller on, this actually just slid right off. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be pressed in, but it just slid right off. But now that that's out, there's the Optispark. Now there's 3 bolts you have to take off. So here's the new one. It's a Spectra, just one from O'Reilly for about $170 some. There's gonna be 3 bolts, one up there, one there, and one there. Very easy to get to once you have the harmonic balancer off. So now all you gotta do is connect each spark plug wire to these here. Put your electronic connector up there. This one actually came with a brand new one. that's in the package. Connect your leading wire up there, and then reverse the process, put everything back together. Okay, so the new Optispark is in. It was a major bitch to get out and get back in, but it's in. Now, I plugged in all the sparkle wires. Hopefully they're all in the same spot. I unplugged them and put them in as I took them out. So that should be good right there. Just got to plug in. I guess I can do that right now. Just gonna plug in the lead wire. Plug. Oh, don't want any coolant on that. If I get any coolant in the brand new Optispark, I'm gonna be pissed. That sucker in. All right, and she's done. Now all I gotta do is reverse everything. I'm not gonna show that in this video, just because it's time consuming. I have to be somewhere right now, and I may or may not be selling the car tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be a whole separate video. All right, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share if you guys found this helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.